Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, that we kick with our feet. C is for cat, who loves to purr. D is for dog, with a happy fur. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, hopping along. G is for giraffe, with a neck so tall. H is for hat, we wear in the fall. I is for ice cream, a yummy treat. J is for jelly, so soft and sweet. K is for kite, flying up so high. L is for lion, the king of the sky. M is for monkey, who swings from trees. N is for nest, for birds with ease. O is for octopus, with arms so long. P is for parrot, who sings a song. Q is for queen, with a golden crown. R is for rainbow, shining around. S is for sun, that brightens the day. T is for train, that chugs away. U is for umbrella, for rainy weather. V is for violin, making music together. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, which sounds so true. Y is for yacht, sailing the sea. Z is for zebra, striped as can be. Thanks for watching my videos.